Most traders spend hours scanning hundreds of charts and still miss high probability setups. But what if I tell you you can find weekly income trades with multi-time frame confirmation within seconds using the demand and supply zones pro? In this video, I will show you step by step how I personally use this indicator to find high probability demand zone trades. Today, we will learn exactly how to use our demand and supply zones pro indicator to find trading opportunities. On my screen, you can see two windows. One window is Pine Screener and the second window is TradingView. Inside TradingView, I have four time frame charts open: 75-minute, 125-minute, daily and weekly. These time frames are selected because this is a weekly income trade approach. Indian markets are not open 24 hours. That is why instead of 2-hour or 4-hour charts, we prefer 75-minute and 125-minute charts as our entry time frame. Weekly time frame is our higher time frame curve analysis, location analysis. Daily time frame is only for trend direction, and 75-minute or 125-minute is for our execution entries. I only opened multiple windows just for easy explanation. But remember this, even if you open only 75-minute time frame, our indicator will automatically plot weekly zones and curve location. It will display trend of selected time frames inside that same chart. Now let's talk about Pine Screener. I selected a watch list of 327 stocks from Nifty 500 and I selected our demand and supply zones pro indicator inside Screener. Our indicator already performs curve analysis, trend analysis, zone plotting all automatically. Also an important announcement. We have improved our trend identification method. Previously, the trend accuracy was not that strong. But now we have shifted to pure price action based trend identification technique. This version is currently in beta testing and very soon we will release this in next update. Now you can trust our trend direction even more confidently. Inside indicator settings, turn on follow intermediate time frame trend. Daily time frame is fine for ITF. Enable exclude sideways for only uptrending stocks. Weekly time frame is by default selected as a higher time frame. Click apply. Turn on alert on demand zone. Now inside screener, select 1 hour time frame and scan. Then again select 2 hour time frame and scan. Because TradingView does not have 75 or 125-minute screener time frame. And click scan. Now you will get filtered stocks where weekly curve location is good, daily trend is up, and price is trading close to 1 hour or 2 hour demand zones. From this list, I already shortlisted few stocks and added into my watch list. Now let's close Pine Screener and let's check them one by one. First stock is Blue Star. Weekly curve location looks fair and daily trend is up. Price is trading inside 125-minute and 75-minute demand zones. Zone quality is excellent with clean leg out and strong follow through. Second stock is CDSL. Trading low on the curve as per weekly time frame and daily trend is up. Trading inside a high quality demand zone with nice follow through. This zone is also penetrating daily demand, so we have confluence. 75-minute demand nested inside daily demand. Third stock is Maruti on weekly, no supply zone above and daily trend is up. Price is approaching 125-minute and 75-minute demand zones. Daily time frame also has a demand zone and both intraday zones are nested inside daily. Fourth stock, SCI Shipping Corporation of India. Weekly has no supply above, daily trend is up and price is approaching high quality 75-minute and even 125-minute demand zones. So this is how you can use the demand and supply zones pro indicator for fast scanning and proper top-down multi-time frame approach to find weekly income trading opportunities. You can use it for intraday, or you can say daily income trade as well, or any combination. If you don't have access to this indicator, visit marketuptodate.com and get access today. Check link in our description. I will see you in the next video.